Welcome to this beautifully update and move-in ready townhome style condo in a highly sought-after Riverwalk community. Open floor plan and featuring Cathedral ceiling plus skylights. Eat-in kit with stainless steel appliances, stove with convection/microwave oven plus built-in microwave, side-by-side refrigerator, under cabinet LED lights, granite counters and glass-tiled backsplash. Living room, fireplace and window seat. 2023 HVAC, LVP Laminate Flooring, LED lighting with ceiling fans and painted interiors throughout. Private fenced enclosed patio with storage shed perfect for entertaining. Spacious Bdrms with an ensuite. Reserved parking with ample guest parking nearby. Quick access to